The minute I read that, I cringed, like my eye started twitching. I couldn't believe that that was a title.
But first, workers raising concerns about a planned training session at Cuyahoga County Juvenile Court. 5 on your side investigator Scott Knoll here with more now on this story that you will only see on 5.
Yeah, everyone we talked with thinks the training is a good idea. According to this flyer, it addresses how to deal with at-risk youth. What concerns some is the name of that training. The complaint started earlier this week when this flyer showed up inside Cuyahoga County's Juvenile Justice Center.
I've fielded about 6 or 7 complaints from our members.
Colin Sykin is the union rep for more than 100 juvie court employees.
Just the title alone, I'm going to tell you, is something that I feel uncomfortable openly discussing.
That title of the free training, working with black males, addressing trauma, aggression, and apathy.
I couldn't believe that that was a title.
Sykin calls it racially tone deaf.
I think the way it's worded insinuates that those are black male issues, when in fact those issues run the gambit of every demographic, depending on the context.
He believes the word black could have been replaced with at risk.
Tell me how it strikes you.
But Danielle Sidner, president of the Cleveland branch of the NAACP, disagrees.
You know, I actually don't have a problem with the title.
She believes black teens in the juvenile justice system do bring a special set of traumas brought on by events like the Tamir Rice shooting. She says the uneasiness caused by the training's title probably goes deeper, citing concerns she's heard from court employees about a lack of trust in juvenile court leaders.
That's a cry for help, and that's a reason for them to have a conversation and say, listen, we're trying to get to the meat of having conversations about these issues. You know, they're tough and they're uncomfortable. Give us some feedback on what we could have done differently.
By phone, the speaker scheduled to put on the training defended the program, saying she's presented it at over 100 conferences. Latoya Logan said anyone that has an issue with the title, it's because of their own implicit biases. Sykin says he looked into the program after receiving complaints and believes it has value. His concern, its message will be missed because of words he fears that will drive a deeper wedge between the court and its workers.
In this case, we have people who work at the Juvenile Detention Center, in detention, in probation, and court clerks who don't feel really safe or great in their job when they see things like this. They feel denigrated.
We reached out to juvenile court for comment on the training. A spokeswoman just referred us back to the speaker putting on the program. Reporting live on 5 on your side, investigator Scott Knoll.